Yeah, I think we are live, and now let me attempt the weekly contest 308 of Leetcode. You are given an array, an integer array nums of length n and an integer array queries of length m. Return an answer of length m, where answer is the maximum size of a subsequence that you can take from nums, so that the sum of its elements is less than or equal to queries of I. So it's a maximum size subsequence. Sort nums dot begin, comma nums dot end, and then vector int res for auto id in queries. Auto id are equal to nums dot upper bound nums dot begin nums dot end, comma it if it are equal to nums dot end res dot push back nums dot size acha sum, right? So we should make a fix array vector int ref that would be nums dot size for di equal to I nums dot size I plus plus if of I plus equal to if of I minus 1, if of I plus equal to nums of I. Alright, ref if itr equal to ref dot n, it's alright, you can have ref dot size, else if itr equal to ref dot begin, then ref dot push back 0, else and then equal to itr minus ref begin push back len. I don't know if it is len or not. We'll just get to know. Either it should be len or len minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second one is 0. Len minus 1, I mean, yeah, cool. So we got our accepted. Removing stars from a string, you are given a string s which contains stars in one operation. Choose a star in s. Remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. Return the string after all stars have been removed. Let's see. Okay. star, then just do count plus plus, else count, then count minus minus, else is equal to ch, and then we'll dot reverse res dot begin, res dot end, res. LECOE, and then it's empty, right? It was fairly an easy question. You are given a zero index array of string garbage, where garbage array represents the assortment of garbage at house. Garbage I consists of only characters M, P, and G, representing 1 unit of metal, paper, and glass garbage respectively. Picking up 1 unit of any type of garbage takes 1 minute. You're also being given zero index array travel is the number of minutes you need to go from house I to house I plus 1. There are 3 garbage trucks in the city, each responsible for picking up one of the type. Each garbage starts at house 0 and you must visit each house in order. However, they do not need to visit every house. Only one garbage truck may be used at any given moment. While one truck is driving or picking up garbage, the other trucks determine the number of minutes needed to pick up all the garbage. I mean, G. Oh, alright. So, the paper garbage trucks travels from house 0 to house 1, collects the paper garbage at house 1, travels from house 1 to house 2. I just want to have something like vector int G on N, and then equal to garbage dot size for, and the I is 0 and plus G of I equal to M G of I comma should be vector int 3 comma 0 plus plus ch equal to P G of I 1 plus plus G of I 2 plus plus. but also want to mark int um, g int start enm equal to -1 eng enp equal to -1 eng equal to -1. Then I want to have integers equal to 0. Speaking of 1 unit of uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 6 8 9 10 11 okay 12 13 I mean okay, that's fine. Then I can just have this plus equal to garbage of I dot size if enm equal to -1 enm equal to I if enp equal to enp equal to I if eng equal to eng equal to I mean I don't need this data structure anyway, but we are not gonna mess up anything. And then I just want to have a splitter of meter in say ref of size n if I ref of I plus equal to ref of I -1, then we don't have ref of I plus equal to travel of I if emp sorry emp enn not equal to -1 res if enp not equal to -1 res equal to of enp if eng not equal to -1 res plus equal to of eng done res oh one thing I can do is that pref of n if is less than n minus 1, f of I plus 1 equal to f of I plus travel of I. Then my eng is, let's say my eng is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I would be having 3, right? I greater than minus 1, then f of I plus 1 equals f of I travel of I. Yeah. 8 should be 21. Then it's 14. It should be 37. How much is this? Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is fine. I just put E and M, E and P, and G. Or I do this print F percentage S, percentage S, comma E and M, E and P, and G. Do I not to do this? Sorry, it's not percentage S, it's percentage D, then D, integer types. E and M is minus 1, E and P is 0, 1, 2, it should be 2. 2 minus 1, I greater than equal to 0. I should have 2. I minus minus. Somewhere here. Too much time in here. It's minus 1, 2, and 3. Just let's comment them. It's 21, and then 37, and then submit. Yeah, pretty easy question, but I don't know, it took too much time. Yeah. The hard one, you are given a positive integer k. You are also given a 2D integer array row conditions of size n, where row conditions I is above I and below I, and a 2D integer column condition of size n, where column condition I is left I and right I. The two array contains integers from 1 to k. You have to build a k cross k matrix is that contains each number 1 to k exactly once. The remaining cells should have value 0. The matrix should satisfy the following condition. The number above I should appear in a row Okay, the number above I should appear in a row that is strictly above the row below I for all I. Okay, and then the left I should appear in a column that is strictly left column, which is row condition. One is about to this is an graph problem, especially it's related to this what do we say, K-agents algorithm or topological sorting. Yeah, it's a topological sorting based algorithm problem, and we just have to check does there exist in topological ordering that it supports. So no. I see. Just have an vector and oh fuck. I can have a row order and then column order, right? And then yeah, I mean I'll just do something vector in place of k comma vector int k. So equals to topo, and then I just can send row conditions. Same goes with vector int call equal topo, then I can just can have something say auto topo equal to it accepts, I mean vector of vector in edges, or say as a reference we should vector int vector int res equal to edges dot size what are the conditions? Yeah, okay. before v. Yeah, u before v, right? So, or rather 2 before 1 or 2 before 3. I see. Yeah, so for auto id in edges in degree of id 1 or id 0 plus plus or id equal to 3 k plus 1 for id I equal to 1 I less than equal to yeah, I just also need to make vector of vector int adjacent plus 1 in degree sorry adjacent of id 1 to 7. Yeah, id 1 dot push back id 0 for id I is equal to 0 I less than equal to k I plus plus if in degree of I equal to 0 then q dot push I rails dot push back front. I think we are good enough. I just have one more thing. If row dot size not equal to k, row dot size not equal to k, then we should return address map of ln comma pair of ln comma ln empty then for empty I equal to 0 and then row dot I get k I plus plus. Then what I can do is that mp of row of I dot first equal to I, mp of code of I dot second equal to I, and for auto id in mp res of id dot first id dot second equal to so id dot first id dot second dot first id dot second equal to should be id dot first and return okay. In degree k plus 1 taking an integer k and between k and k again. Okay, maybe while not of q dot empty. Okay, So not empty map of, oh, there is no long I suppose int. There should be having int. We're having one more int, and oh 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 020 1. Oh, I got an inverted thing, which is not nice. 91 dot in degree of IT. I mean, I can just, I don't know, I don't want to use my brain, but just do this change and it should be fine, I suppose. Yeah, what do we have? 001. All right, 300020. I'm so much happy with it. I'll just submit. Oh fuck. Oh, huh. It does doing stuff. Let's suffice. Keys 2. I think it will. Oh, I think weekly contest done. We completed. I mean, fairly. I think it was an easy contest, I'll suppose. Oh, we got a rank 478. That's great. Anyways, moving forward, we have time 23:04. I believe we surely have a few minutes left, and coming back here, I see you can do some code forces. I don't just get in here. Code forces round 1072. I don't know if it's working or not. Yeah, we can try to solve this problem actually. Alright, buddy. We are given a rooted tree with n vertices. The vertices of tree are numbered with integer 1 to n. The root of the tree is vertex number 1. In each leaf of the tree there grows one cherry. You want to collect all the cherries, and to do this, you perform the following action several times. You choose any vertex of the tree V, including the root or leaf, and shake it. After that, cherries fall from all the leaves that are descendant of vertex V. If vertex V itself is a leaf, then the cherries falls from it. If all cherries have fallen from any leaf before, the tree will break, and so the situation must avoid. According to an ancient legend of the cherry orchard, the number of vertices should be a multiple of 3. Is it possible to collect all the cherries in this way? I see. 1 say 2, 1 say 3, 1 say 4. I mean, yes. 1 say 2, 1 say 3, no. The problem require us to calculate I mean, is it some DFS kind of thing? I mean, see, one thing, if you choose any vertex V, and if cherries have already fallen from any leaf before the tree will break, so the situation must be avoided. Okay. uh it seems like an, I don't know, maybe. Can have this, and I see. Vector of vector and IDJ. Okay, and put all I equal to 0 and is in minus 1 this. And then you maybe see U B IDJ U dot push back B. Yeah, so you can have an automatic TFS equal to uh, it should vector int res 3 comma 0. Okay. If the node or LL node and LL for authorizing 0 node if ID equals to parent, then continue. I can have dot size equal to 0, 10. Res of 1 equal to 1, return res. Then I have m children's. Then I just want to do something like this. Then I'll run dfs. I mean if dfs 1 minus 1 0, then shout yes slash m or no slash n. But I don't know how can I encapsulate these things. I have vector of vector trace then could have I mean res of 1 is always 1, right? I mean in one turn. How can I if I have m children's, if I have m children's, then what can I infer? The thing I can infer is that m children's and each of them can do that in 1, then m percentage 3 is 1 again. Can have a into 2 count plus b into 1 count plus c into I mean it will lead to of mq. How can I solve this? I don't know. Say I 1 coin, comma 2 coin contain 1 rupees note or note 3 rupees note may contain few or all. So the thing is that I have to choose either of any of the one note present from each of the bags, then sum it and take the modulo by 3 and return and return today's equal to from 1 rupees note to note or 0 rupees note using these. Then I think module DP, you have m bags. Each bag may contain some of the 0 and 2. These are the possible few. Pick exactly one note from each bag, then the sum. Initially for choosing anything. What I can do for idea or variable I equal to 0 and less than details dot size dp NDP of R plus V modulo 3 equal to true, TP equal to NDP. I don't know, I'm not much convinced by this. TP of 1 equal to 1. DP equal to NDP, and I should return DP, right? I don't know if it complete test run. Yes, crazy. Q. I my mic is probably near to my keyboard, so anyways, I think I look after this probably sometime later. Till then, it's goodbye from my side.